Good morning, guys. It's like impossible to find a good angle with good lighting. I'm actually getting ready for work right now. Probably should have woken up earlier. I had to clear my SD card like 3 times. I'm like, what is going on? Am I not supposed to film today? But I wanted to I can't speak, I'm so tired. I wanted to share with you guys what I do during the day if I am going to work, like how I get ready, kind of like my morning routine and stuff like that. But basically, I am a new grad. I'm in the residency program in a surgical CV ICU unit. And it's been a lot. Like, as a new grad, I have to say, it's been a lot because not only do they want you to do 12s during the day, which I got hired for nights, but they want me to do it during the day so that they can watch me and observe me and make sure that I'm doing well. But also, they want you to do a lot of classes, and they end up being throughout the week. So I've actually been to work every single day this week except for Tuesday. So it's just a lot, having to go in for maybe like 6 to 8 hours at a time for classes, sometimes less, and then also having to do 12s. So I'm just very tired and just like mentally and physically drained, I guess you could say. I'm still very much enjoying it, like all of the new things that I'm learning. It's very different than what was taught in nursing school, so it's all completely new information for me. But yeah, so today I will be going in for a rotation with respiratory. Favorite scrub top right now is from Adar. I just love all the front pockets. You can put so many different things in there, and I like how it tapers, like it kind of cinches in the waist a little bit. So I have this backup pair that I'll be wearing from Grey's Anatomy, and I got them on Amazon. Both of these actually on Amazon. I'll link them below. But these are nice too because they have pockets for, scissors or flushes. That's where I put my flushes. And they're also jogger style. Now these are like more mid-waist, I'd say. So I think they work really well underneath of the shirt. Let me show you. They can be a little see-through sometimes, so you gotta be careful. Actually wear a jacket over. Alani new water bottle, definitely need that. I'll fill it up when I get there so I can use their water, not mine. Garage door opener. This is my watch this is my Apple Watch. Burt's Bees Strawberry Moisturizing Lip Balm. My rubber ring thing that I got on Amazon. These are so dirty right now, but these are the shoes I wear. They are Hoka's, the blue and orange ones. So comfortable, and my feet never hurt, or my back. I also have this that I keep my stethoscope and scissors and pens in. What are you looking at? I'll show you what I got in my lunchbox. This is from Temu. I love it because it is huge. So I don't have any more plastic baggies, but in here I have chocolate covered almonds. Just a few snacks for today. I love these light and fit Greek yogurts. This is in caramel apple. A banana. And string cheese. I wanted to let you guys know that I'm not going to be filming in the hospital just because I don't want to risk losing this job that I worked so incredibly hard for. The last thing I want is to have HR on my back. And at this hospital that I work at, they're very serious about their policies. And I want them to know, if they happen to watch my social media, that I am serious about them too. And I would never take my job for granted and do something silly like that, posting while I'm in the hospital. I just don't think it's professional. So unfortunately, I won't be taking you guys in there, but I will let you know how it goes when I get out. And yeah, it's a beautiful day, nice and sunny, so I'm feeling good. I hope I have a good day. Okay, so I just got home, I changed. I did take a quick nap and now I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be making for food, because like I told you, I have a 12-hour shift on Saturday as well as on Sunday, and I need to pre-pack my meals. I'm going to be using Green Chef, which is today's sponsor. Thank you guys so much for coming in clutch with this video because I didn't have anything to make. Okay, so they come like this. Incredibly easy to follow and easy to make as well. Chicken with garlic shard rice. We've got garlic honey chicken and cheesy pesto chicken bowls. So you can customize your meals every single week. You can kind of mix and match depending on your dietary preferences. I am like a protein kind of girl. I'm trying my best to get as much protein as I can. I find being a nurse that is the hardest thing to do because I don't necessarily crave proteins all the time, but if they're mixed into my meal and I've already pre-prepped it, I'm gonna eat it. Yeah. I'm excited because I keep eating the cafeteria food and I get so mad at myself. I'm like, stop giving your money back to them. But also, it's just so bad for you, the stuff that I've been getting at the cafeteria. This is like healthy, like food that you can feel good about putting in your stomach. I'm trying so hard, guys, to eat healthier. So I'm hoping that this will get me on the right track. All right, so let's go ahead and cook. I just cleaned my kitchen. So let's do it. So as I go ahead and make this amazing meal for you guys, which by the way, my 12-hour shift the next day when I ate this, it was just as good. Literally tasted exactly the same reheated up. So that was pretty wild for me because reheated up food, I never usually like. I love Green Chef. I feel like it saves me so much time because I don't have to grocery shop for all of these individual things. It just kind of comes together, ready to make, and it just makes meal prepping for the week so much easier. One thing I forgot to mention is they do also have breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. So if you're like me, where I like to eat breakfast for dinner, also feel free to use my code Kayleigh60 for 60% off your first box with free shipping. Go to greenchef.com for more details. Green Chef is a certified organic company. They're actually the first organic company in the meal kit category. So if you are into more sustainable foods, they offset 100% of their delivery emissions to your door, and they offset 100% of the plastic in every box. So you are reducing your food waste by up to 23% versus grocery shopping. You know, I'm not very adventurous, especially when it comes to vegetables. I'm the kind of person that kind of eats the same thing over and over again when I know that I like it. And vegetables are one of those things that are hard to incorporate into what I already have been making for myself for the past few years. So that's another reason why I love Green Chef, because it's forcing me to eat outside of my bubble. I mean, I love different kinds of vegetables. Like I do love a lot of variety of vegetables, but I just don't always put them in my meals. So Green Chef is like kind of forcing me to eat them in a different kind of way. I'm not really good at seasoning and like knowing exactly how to cook these type of vegetables. So the way that they're incorporated into these meals is just awesome because I can actually get my greens in for the day, and I truly feel so much healthier as I go through the day. Like my body physically just feels on a better level. I don't feel as tired, you know, and not as full. Like I hate that feeling when you're too full. So yes, in conclusion, eating Green Chef makes me feel so much better. That is so good. Okay. You guys can use my code at greenchef.com for 60% off your order. The code is Kayleigh60. I'm going to have it right here on the screen. So that'll be 60% off your very first box. If you guys are interested, I would highly recommend Green Chef. It just makes everything so easy because you don't have to think about anything. They're with the organization called One Tree Planted. So in honor of Earth Month, every single box that is sold, they will plant a new tree. Go to the description box, get your first box, try out Green Chef, and let me know what you guys think, or if you already have it. How much do you love it? Oh, also, my deal includes free shipping too. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm gonna enjoy that tomorrow on my 12-hour shift, that's for sure. That's the best meal I've ever brought, hands down, by far. I have a feeling that the nurses around me, once they smell it in the microwave, they're gonna get jealous. They're gonna be like, can I have a piece? I'm like, no, You can't. I'm a tourist. I don't share my food. Hey guys, I'm back on my phone again. I've been switching between 3 cameras this entire vlog. I apologize. Next time I'm going to prepare and make sure that everything actually charged. But I am now at the hospital and it's my birthday. I have to go to a neuroeducation class and it's only about 4 hours, so I'll be out around lunchtime. And then I'm going to hit up Sephora so I can get my birthday gift. And I might get a few other things there too, because I haven't bought makeup in a long time. I might not. I might try to control myself because I really don't need anything. But I don't know. We'll see. And then since Ryan doesn't work today, we are going to go out to eat for dinner at a nice restaurant on the water. And they also have a wedding venue there upstairs. So we're going to check that out, see how we feel about it. But it'll be officially the first place that we've checked out for venues. We kind of looked around a little bit here and there online, but I feel like you need to see it in person to fully see if it's going to be the right fit for you. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, just got out of class and I'm here at Sephora. This is the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer from Charlotte Tilbury. That actually looks like my exact shade. And it feels pretty creamy, but maybe a little too thick. It's in 5. I heard this was really good for 31. Maybe that one. Oh yeah, that's a lot thinner. I really like that. I like the consistency. I think I'm gonna put it in my bag. See, I would get a big one, but I think the sample size will actually last me a long time because this lasted me like 1.5 years. A little goes a long way. Got the goodies. Yeah, very disappointed. I would be like there at Huda Beauty and I found my exact shade. Not the one I showed you guys, it was actually a different one that was like a little bit more yellow. And then I looked, not there. So you guys saw I was at Charlotte Tilbury looking at their concealers. I found the right one. Didn't have my shade either. Then I went to Kosas and I just couldn't find my shade there. Like I feel like that shade range was just awful for the concealer, so that didn't work out. So I settled on NARS because I already know that I love this concealer, but they didn't have my shade in the original size. So I just went ahead and picked up this to last me for now. Maybe I'll make like an order online or something because they really had bad stocking issues there. Like I would have loved to try some stuff from Rare Beauty, but instead, I picked up this Tower 28 blush that you can also use on your lips. I'm so excited to try this in Magic Hour. I've heard great things about this brand. I also finally, I've been wanting to try this for so long, picked up the Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is in 4.5 medium to put under my foundation to give like a nice glow. 2 things from Benefit, the 24-hour brow setter. And I also went ahead, since I was already there, and just got my favorite brow pencil too in 3.5. Neutral medium brown, I believe is what it's called. Yes. And lastly, my birthday gift. So excited for this one. So we have the Detox Shampoo, a perfume, a body cleanser, and a leave-in conditioner. So that's it. That's the haul. I would have totally gotten more if they had more in stock, but yeah.
I have never felt home till you entered my door, and from that moment I knew that a home is whatever you choose. That's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the vlog. We just went out and had some good dinner, checked out the wedding venue that's up at the on the second floor, and it was so incredibly beautiful. Like I literally cried when I walked in. And I've always said to myself, if I cry when I walk into a wedding venue, I feel like that's probably because it's the one. And I just felt myself getting married there. Now, I don't know if that might happen again, like going other places, maybe. Maybe I'm just like emotional about it because I'm so excited I'm finally gonna be getting married. But I think we will go see more places. It's just that we're both feeling very strongly right now with this one. We both felt it was a 10 out of 10. The location was beautiful. The view was beautiful. The room was big enough for us, which will probably have about like 150 to 200 guests, like initially. And then we'll see who can actually come. So it'll probably narrow down to like 150. But yeah, it just, everything felt right. And it was just like unbelievable. So beautiful. As soon as I walked into the room, I'm like, it just hit me. I kind of felt like this is it. This is where I'm getting married. So we'll see. But yeah, I've just been so exhausted lately, guys. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded. Honestly, it's just because work is really tiring. I didn't expect it to be the way that it is. Like I thought that I was just going to be working 12s. I didn't necessarily think that there was going to be so many classes back to back to back to back to back. It's either, like I usually only have one day off of the whole entire week. And I will work the weekends because that's just how my preceptor schedule is. Like I literally work every day, or I go to the hospital every day except for one day of the week. And it's either for classes that are between like 4 to 6 hours long, sometimes longer, or 12s. So it's just been like really rough on me. I know that after these first few weeks, it'll definitely get better and lighten up. There won't be as many classes, but that's where I'm at right now, guys. Just very stressed. I'm very tired. So exhausted. I will try to upload more for you guys. Let me know what you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.